In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Kaspersky Antivirus on your Android device. Installing a reliable antivirus is crucial to keeping your personal and sensitive information secure. Kaspersky is a well-known name in cybersecurity, and their antivirus for Android is a comprehensive solution to protect your device from various online threats. So, let's get started with the installation process. The first step is to visit the official Kaspersky website. You can easily find it by entering Kaspersky Cybersecurity Solutions for Home and Business into your preferred web browser's search bar. Once there, you'll see a variety of their products and solutions. For simplicity, it's best to head straight to the top of the page where you'll find the My Kaspersky link. This is where you'll manage your antivirus subscriptions and downloads. After clicking on My Kaspersky, proceed to the next page where you'll see the option to sign in. If you already have a Kaspersky account, you can go ahead and log in with your credentials. For those who do not have an account yet, this is the point where you should sign up. Having an account is essential as it helps you track your antivirus licenses and also manage updates with ease. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Kaspersky homepage of your account. Here you can overview your existing licenses, products, and any available downloads. Navigate through the section until you find the option labeled Download. This is pivotal because downloading from the official site ensures you're getting the latest version that is free from any tampering or malicious modifications. Next, you'll want to specify that you're installing antivirus protection on an Android device. To do this, locate the section for downloading specific to OS platforms like Windows, Mac, or Android. Here, what you're looking for is the Android option. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the download page designed specifically for Android devices. By clicking the download link for Android, the app will start downloading directly onto your device. Once the download is complete, you can proceed to open the setup file to begin the installation process. If you're unfamiliar with how to enable installations from external sources on Android, you might need to adjust your device settings to allow installations from unknown sources, which is typically found under the security settings of your device. By following these steps, you should have Kaspersky Antivirus successfully installed on your Android device, thus ensuring enhanced protection from viruses, malware, and other online threats. It's always wise to run a full scan once installation is complete to ensure your device is safe and secure. Don't forget to keep the application updated to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.